Hey everybody, what is up? If you're looking how to download the YouTube videos for free, in today's video we are going to guide you to the best and the safest method for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. We can directly head over to our YouTube application for that. Directly type in YouTube and go to youtube.com if you own laptop or even use the application available. And once it is done, you just need to go over and open up the particular video that you want to save. So find this video, for example, let's say this is the video I want to save. And once you find the video, you can scroll a bit and write in the video title. You should be finding subscribe button and the like share option as well. And there will be finding option called download. So click on download and we can download it. So these two, standard and low, are something we can download for free. So videos are saved inside the YouTube application, works even without the internet later. So you can see it up. You can click on download and it should start downloading. You can view it up or go to this menu right here. Scroll down, find the download section and click on it. And there you'll be finding your downloaded video. You can look out for it. This is how you do it. If you want to go ahead and download a bit better quality, you can look out for download. So for example, it's this. And you can look out for download. And what you need to do is you need to have a premium version. So these are ad-free and background play. You can get YouTube Premium and download it with a premium quality as well. But usually if you want to do it for free, this is how you do it. You just need to have yourself connected through 30 days in Wi-Fi every 30 days and the video will be automatically downloaded and you can view it up, and that is it. And the thing is, we should only download videos if it's our content and creator allows the download as well, and also via the YouTube application. And that is it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.